The SkyLink Universal Wireless Garage Door Opener. It works on all of these models right here. Before we get started, let's go to the instruction manual, which I'm a man, so I usually don't like reading the instruction manual, but I did this time. Let's look at this. I'm working on a Sears 1992 model. Okay, Sears is C or D, which means the frequency is either 315 or 390. So that means you get this little device and see toothpick? Grab the toothpick, and I've already did this. There's 6 different combinations for this one, and you just stick your little toothpick in right here and you push this in this way. Mine's actually D on this one, so see, it don't go no farther. It's D. So okay, like I said, mine has the green learn button. So that's 2 combinations right there, C or D. 2, C or D. So then right here it says, okay, Sears can be plus or negative. It could be negative or 0. Or it could be negative and plus. So that's 3 different combinations. So you have 6 times to try it, okay? So when they're saying that the A and B switch right here, they're talking about this little thing in red, okay? And this is when you really want a good pair of needle nose pliers. Something that's really skinny. Something that you could just sit here and you can go, okay, and pick it up. But anyway, I've already got my mind set, and when they say 0, that means no jumper, no jumper. Like for instance, mine has the green learn button, and it says negative and 0. 0 means no jumper. All right, that means no little black piece. So what you do, and the standard code to open this up by factory default is 0, 0, 0, 0. That in pound. So you hit 4 zeros and pound. So do not hold this button, just tap it. All right, see how the green light's on? All right, let's go 0, 0, 0, 0, pound. All right, did you see the light just flash on? That means, all right, we're communicating. We're doing good. So let's hit it one more time. 0, 0, 0, 0, pound.